Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to take the next topic under carbonyl compounds, that is, general method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. So, under the general method of preparations, we can prepare aldehydes and ketones from the other types of compound. So, first one, let me take from alkene, I can prepare suitable aldehyde or ketones depending upon the nature of alkane. This is called direct oxidation or otherwise ozonolysis. Ozonolysis. Kindly follow. This is the method. That means when suitable alkenes react with ozone, ozonides are formed. These ozonides on reduction give corresponding aldehydes or ketone in presence of zinc and water. So let me take now specific example I will explain. Before that, let me give a general information for you to understand whether it is an aldehyde or ketone. What is the way we have to write the equation? See the general formula R dash R C double bond C R dash double bond, that is ozone. Actually, what is happening now? The first will be, this is the ozonide it is forming. Kindly follow. R, kindly follow. Then, comparatively, here R dash. This is the ozonide form. It undergoes rearrangement to form this stable intermediate. Kindly follow. And this intermediate on treatment with zinc and water reduction undergo cleavage here and here to produce corresponding ketones or aldehydes along with hydrogen peroxide. Kindly follow. This is the actual mechanism. Kindly follow. In all cases, this intermediate example we are not showing in all the cases, even in books. So we will write only the intermediate we are writing. Kindly follow. So let me take specific example. Under the specific example, as per our syllabus, in the case of aldehyde, we are going to prepare formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Kindly follow. Formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde. In the case of ketone, we are going to discuss acetone, acetophenone and benzophenone. Kindly follow. So these are the 6 compounds we are going to prepare as per our syllabus. So let me explain the easiest way to understand this concept. Kindly follow. So in the case of ozonolysis, how to identify the alkene from which you can prepare aldehyde? Suppose I want a particular aldehyde. How can I select that one? Very simple. So you write the molecule, whatever aldehyde or ketone you want, you take that 2 molecules and write facing each other. So the 2 oxygens should face each other. For example, formaldehyde I can write CH2O, and same way another case CH2O. See here, this is 2 molecules. So if you remove these 2 oxygen, kindly follow, between a double bond will you can add, that is ethylene. That means formaldehyde can be prepared from ethylene by ozonolysis. So very easily, this is called reverse analysis, we can identify. So, or I can give other way. Simply suppose if you want to know from alkene to what aldehyde or ketone prepared, easy. In the double bond, put a line. Add both side O. You will get the corresponding aldehyde or ketone. Very, very easy method. So let me concentrate now how we are preparing formaldehyde. As I told you, I will take ethene, that is ethylene, by adding ozone, followed by reduction. The intermediate ozonide I have already written, forming 2 moles of formaldehyde and hydrogen peroxide. Same way in this case, acetaldehyde can be prepared from 2-butene, undergo reduction in presence of ozonolysis, followed by reduction, gives 2 moles of acetaldehyde and hydrogen peroxide. Kindly follow. So simply add O, you will get easily both sides acetaldehyde. The same way, this is 1, this is 2. So if you want to get the benzaldehyde, 1,1 diphenyl ethene, that is the alkene. You take this alkene, add ozone corresponding ozonide, which undergoes reduction, give 2 moles of benzaldehyde. So hydrogen peroxide. Kindly follow. The same way, in the ketone, the corresponding ketone, I will take this alkene. What is this alkene? Let me expand the structure so you can easily understand that. Kindly follow. This is that structure. Kindly follow. Now you can easily understand this is the main chain. So numbering is given 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 2,3 dimethyl butene. So 2,3 dimethyl butene undergo ozonization to form ozonide, which on reduction with zinc and H2O to give 2 moles of acetone and hydrogen peroxide. Just put a line O both sides, you will get correspondingly CH3O, CH3. Kindly follow. The same way, if I want to prepare acetophenone, the corresponding alkene, I have to take this alkene. What way? So how I will name this one? Kindly follow. The same thing, CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3, C6H5, C6H5. Kindly follow. That means again 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,3 diphenyl butene undergo ozonolysis to produce ozonide, followed by reduction gives 2 moles of acetophenone. The same way, benzophenone you can prepare from here, that is 1,1, 2,2 tetraphenyl ethane. On ozonolysis produce corresponding ozonide. On reduction give 2 moles of benzophenone. Very, very easy. So any aldehyde or any ketone we can prepare. That's why it's called the general method. So this means from alkene, suitable alkene, any aldehyde or any ketone we can prepare. The second general method is from gem dihalides. Kindly follow. Hydrolysis of gem dihalides. What is meant by gem? The both halogen atoms are attached to same carbon atom, gem. Vicinal means the neighboring adjacent carbon atom having halogen atom. So, when suitable gem dihalides are hydrolyzed in presence of aqueous alkali, sodium hydroxide, aldehydes or ketones are formed. Kindly follow, this is the general formula. So when you treat with aqueous sodium hydroxide, kindly follow, the 2H2 is converted into 2OH. Since 2OH group attached to same carbon atom, unstable, producing corresponding aldehyde or ketone producing water. This is the general method for any aldehyde or ketone. Now let me take now specifically in this case, kindly follow. Kindly follow. First one, formaldehyde I want to prepare. So what I have to do now? The general method is I have to take corresponding gem dihalide. Kindly follow how to identify easily. You write the structure of aldehyde or ketone in this form. So instead of O, substitute Cl2 or Br2. Then you treat with sodium hydroxide, you will get corresponding double OH, unstable, decomposing water. So this is dichloromethane, undergo hydrolysis, aqueous sodium hydroxide, unstable compound, produce formaldehyde and water. Suppose I want acetaldehyde, so instead of O, I will add 2Cl2, that means 1,1 dichloroethane, undergo hydrolysis using alkali, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide to produce corresponding hydroxide unstable, producing acetaldehyde and water. The same way benzaldehyde corresponding gem dihalide, that is 1-phenyl correspondingly 1,1 dichloro-1-phenyl methane. This is undergo hydrolysis, 2 OH is introduced, which is unstable, decomposed, benzaldehyde and water. Please follow. So easy way to remember is whatever aldehyde or ketone, from that you remove oxygen, add Cl2 and treat with correspondingly alkali sodium hydroxide. You will get the corresponding aldehyde or ketone. Now suppose we have seen formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, benzaldehyde. Same way I can now think of ketone, acetone, acetophenone and benzophenone. With the suitable, when suitable gem dihalides are hydrolyzed in presence of aqueous alkali, ketones are formed. Please follow. Suitable gem dihalides are hydrolyzed. So what is the here? That is primary gem halide. This is secondary gem halide. That is the difference. So our order center is CH2. The CH2, the X2 is substituted by OH twice. So eliminating water, giving the corresponding aldehyde or ketone. Kindly follow. This is case ketone. Secondary means ketone. So let me take a specific example. Kindly follow. In the case of acetone, kindly follow. Acetone. So I will take now. In the case of acetone, I will take now 2,2 dichloropropane. Undergo alkali hydrolysis to produce corresponding acetone and water. Kindly follow. So, next, the acetophenone and benzophenone, it is not suitable by this method because of the bulky nature. And also, the most important information, students, you must listen me. What you have to listen me, kindly follow. This method is not generally useful because aldehydes or ketones and ketones that are formed are easily attacked by alkali. So either it will undergo Kanister reaction or aldol condensation. So final product will not be aldehyde or ketone. That's why normally this method is not suitable to prepare aldehyde and ketone. Kindly follow. The next method, the third method is from alcohol we can get aldehyde and ketone by taking suitable alcohol or the alcohols will get aldehyde or ketone. Primary alcohol gives correspondingly the aldehyde. Secondary alcohol gives ketone on controlled oxidation, direct oxidation. Aldehydes and ketone can be prepared by direct oxidation of suitable alcohol using acid potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate. Primary alcohol will give aldehyde, secondary alcohol will give ketones. This is the general formula. RCHOH R dash, acid potassium permanganate or acid potassium dichromate to give RCO R dash H2O. R and R dash equal to H, it is formaldehyde. R equal to CH3, R dash H equal to acetaldehyde. So anything you can write from this. Kindly follow. Let me take specific example under this. Kindly follow. So what is the important? Suppose I want to get aldehyde, the corresponding alcohol I will take. What is the one carbon alcohol? Methanol. So methanol undergoes oxidation, formaldehyde and water. Same way acetaldehyde, ethanol undergoes oxidation, acetaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, benzyl alcohol undergoes oxidation to produce benzaldehyde and water. Please follow. So you have to take corresponding primary alcohol, we are getting aldehyde, controlled oxidation. The same way, if you take secondary alcohol, controlled oxidation, you get ketone. So this is acetone. So corresponding alcohol is 2-propanol. So this on oxidation gives acetone and water. Kindly follow. The same way, this is acetophenone corresponding OH. So here I will call it as, it is 1 ethanol, 1 phenyl, 1 ethanol. This is called actually. So this on oxidation gives acetophenone and water. Benzophenone corresponding CHOH. So diphenyl methanol. Kindly follow. Diphenyl methanol, 1,1 diphenyl methanol. So this undergoes oxidation to produce benzophenone and water. So all the 6 compound we can prepare from here. Direct oxidation. And the fourth method, again from alcohol, but this time it is not oxidation, it is called catalytic dehydrogenation. This is the one of the method we have used under the distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Please follow. Catalytic dehydrogenation. Copper or silver heated at 573 Kelvin we have to. So, aldehydes and ketones can be prepared by passing vapors of primary alcohol or secondary alcohol over heated copper or silver catalyst at 573 Kelvin. This is the general formula. RCHO, HR dash, copper or Ag, 573 Kelvin. So simply this hydrogen is getting eliminated to form corresponding aldehyde or ketone. Kindly follow. So let me take now specific example you can understand. So for formaldehyde as usual, methanol on hydrogenation gives formaldehyde. Ethanol undergo dehydrogenation to produce acetaldehyde and hydrogen. Condition is same. Copper catalyst or copper or silver catalyst, the 573 Kelvin. So to prepare benzaldehyde, you take corresponding benzene alcohol and again vapors pass over heated copper catalyst or silver, 573 Kelvin, benzaldehyde and hydrogen. Now coming for ketones, kindly follow. Under the ketones, so the corresponding alcohol, acetone I want to prepare, the corresponding alcohol is 2-propanol, OL. When these vapors are passed through heated copper or silver at 573 Kelvin, acetone and hydrogens are produced. Suppose if I want acetophenone, correspondingly 1-phenyl ethanol, this is common, the IUPAC name, or the methyl phenyl carbonyl. Kindly follow. So in this case, I can get acetophenone and hydrogen. Kindly follow. So this is the benzophenone, the corresponding alcohol is this. That means CHOH, both sides 6 is HF5. So in this case, it is not suitable because of bulky nature. Due to steric effect, this is not possible. Kindly follow. The fifth method is the most important method commonly asked in the examination. Kindly follow. What is this method called? By dry distillation of calcium salt of fatty acid. That is, from dry calcium salt of fatty acid by dry distillation. That is, if you want to prepare any aldehyde or ketones, so aldehydes and ketones are obtained by dry distillation of calcium salt of suitable fatty acid. So you have to select suitable fatty acid. Here, plane of symmetry plays an important role. Let me explain. You understand, my dear students, it will be not given in any book. This is for your information I am giving. So we are, as per our syllabus, 6 compound. Kindly follow. This is the formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetone, benzaldehyde again. Here I can write here benzaldehyde and acetone, acetophenone and benzophenone. Kindly follow, these are the 6 compounds we are preparing all the as per syllabus. So here I am informing you, plane of symmetry plays an important role. What is this? If any molecule you want to prepare aldehyde or ketone, if it is having a plane of symmetry, use only one acid salt of calcium salt. Say for example, the formaldehyde is having a plane of symmetry, acetophenone is having a plane of symmetry, benzophenone having a plane of symmetry. So only in this case, you can use only one salt corresponding acid. The formaldehyde means formic acid, calcium formate. Acetone means correspondingly acetic acid, calcium, that is the calcium acetate. Benzophenone corresponding benzoic acid, benzophenone. Kindly follow. Suppose you want to prepare a mixture of, the mixture means unsymmetrical benzaldehyde, that is acetaldehyde, benzaldehyde, acetophenone. You have to use a mixture of 2 calcium salt. This is the idea you must have. Kindly follow. So this is the general formula I am writing here. RCOO, CaO, CO double bond O, R dash. So when you heat dry distillation, what is happening? This is getting calcium carbonate is eliminated. The corresponding aldehyde or ketone is formed. RCO, R dash. Please follow. R dash equal to H formaldehyde, like that we have to. Kindly follow. So now let me take as usual. The first one I will take here. Kindly follow. I want to prepare formaldehyde. That is the first member. Kindly follow. First member. This is having a plane of symmetry. So when there is a plane of symmetry, I will use only one salt. That means calcium formate. Calcium salt of formic acid, that is calcium formate, on dry distillation producing calcium carbonate, formaldehyde and calcium carbonate is formed. Very, very easy. The next aldehyde, acetaldehyde. Kindly follow. In the acetaldehyde, kindly follow, I need formula CH3CHO. Aldehyde, that is CHO group coming from formic acid and CH3 coming from acetic acid. So I have to use the mixture of calcium formate and calcium acetate. So from the calcium salt of formic acid and acetic acid, by dry distillation, I can get 2 moles of acetaldehyde. What we just see here? Calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate. So what will happen now? This H will go here, this CH3 will go here. Kindly follow. 2 moles of acetaldehyde, 2 moles of calcium carbonate. So this is the unsymmetrical mixture of 2. The third one, kindly follow, that is benzaldehyde, again unsymmetrical, so mixture of 2. One is calcium formate, another is calcium benzoate. So from calcium salt of formic acid and benzoic acid by dry distillation, we are getting 2 moles of benzaldehyde, 2 moles of calcium carbonate. As usual, this is getting eliminated, this is also getting eliminated. This H will go here, 6HF will go here, 2 moles of C6H5CHO and calcium carbonate 2 moles. The next one, acetone ketone. I already told you this is a symmetric compound, symmetric. So only one salt, calcium acetate will be enough. From calcium salt of acetic acid by dry distillation produce acetone directly and calcium carbonate. It is produced. Please follow. The same way, suppose I want to prepare correspondingly acetophenone. Acetone coming from calcium acetate. It is acetophenone. Kindly follow. The acetyl group, CH3 group coming from acetyl calcium acetate and 6 is H5 coming from calcium benzoate. So from calcium salt of benzoic acid and acetic acid, by dry distillation we are getting acetophenone 2 moles or the calcium carbonate 2 moles. How? Getting eliminated. This is getting eliminated. So this CH3 will go there, this CH5 will go there. So 2 moles of acetophenone. Kindly follow. The same way, benzophenone, this is symmetry. So symmetry means only one molecule. Calcium benzoate, by dry distillation we are getting now producing calcium carbonate and benzophenone and calcium carbonate. Please remember, this is the important general method. We normally question will be asked. Any aldehyde and any ketone can be prepared other than these 6 members. You can prepare this in general method. The next, 6th method, from Cricknod reagent also we can prepare. That is the general method. We have seen already. Cricknod also you can use. So normally, kindly follow, aldehydes and ketones can be prepared from suitable Cricknod reagent by using suitable alkyl formate or acid chloride. Formate aldehyde, acid chloride ketone. Please follow. So here, except formaldehyde, all aldehydes can be prepared from suitable Cricknod reagent and alkyl formate. So, by this, from Cricknod reagent, formaldehyde cannot be prepared. Please follow. Formaldehyde cannot be prepared. Please have it in mind. Let me go for the next one. That is, I want acetaldehyde. So what I am taking, because from the formate, I have acetaldehyde group, aldehyde group. So this is called ethyl formate. Kindly follow. Ethyl formate on reaction with methyl magnesium iodide undergo addition reaction. So this is plus, this is minus. Again added here. This is an unstable. Kindly follow. So from this what will happen now? We are getting correspondingly. So this MgI and this OC2H5 is going out producing acetaldehyde and MgOC2H5I is formed. Calcium form. So acetaldehyde is formed from ethyl formate using methyl magnesium iodide. Kindly follow. The next one. Suppose I want to prepare benzaldehyde and the suitable Cricknod reagent I have to use phenyl magnesium iodide. Here again same ethyl formate I can use for aldehyde group. Kindly follow. As usual you add addition. This is the way intermediate. Then what will happen? This will cleave in this way, producing benzaldehyde and MgOC2H5I it is formed. Kindly follow. The next one, ketones. From Cricknod reagent, ketone also prepared. But in this case, only acid chloride we have used. Ketones can be prepared from suitable Cricknod reagent by using suitable acid chloride. Acetone, acetophenone can be prepared, but not suitable for benzophenone because of bulky nature, steric effect, bulky nature. So only acetone and acetophenone can be prepared by this method. Let me take first acetone. So I will take suitably, I know the structure of, kindly follow acetone. Kindly follow. So what I will do, I will just put a line here so that one side CH3CO, other side CH3. So this is called synthetic synthon approach. This is called, in MSc level they will say, synthon approach, they will say. It's an higher level, MSc level. What is the synthon approach means? By cleaving the molecule we are required, we will get two reagents. So for example, methyl magnesium iodide, Cricknod reagent. CH3CO, acetyl chloride. Please follow. So when you add these two, we are getting this intermediate. So from this actually, we are getting this acetone and MgClI. Kindly follow. So any aldehyde or any ketone very easily you can identify by using this synthon approach. The next one, acetophenone. Kindly follow. Acetophenone, here I am using benzoyl chloride and the methyl magnesium iodide. So I am adding here as usual methyl group intermediate, and from this coming here the Cl is going out, acetophenone and magnesium chloride I. The other way also we can. Say instead of here, suppose I can take acetyl chloride plus phenyl magnesium iodide. Also I can use. Kindly follow. By this method also the same product will be forming. Kindly follow. The next one is. So far I have discussed 6 general methods suitable for any aldehyde or any ketone general method. Now I want to give some specific method for, but that is specific method means suitable only for particular aldehyde or ketone. For example, in the case of aldehyde, from methanol air oxidation in presence of copper and silver formaldehyde. Again, from methane air oxidation under pressure gives formaldehyde. These two methods specific only for formaldehyde. Coming for acetaldehyde general methods, specifically follow, the most important method is Rosenman reduction. Please follow. This is very, very important. Rosenman reduction. That means acetyl chloride reacts with acetone in presence of palladium and barium sulfate. The Cl will be substituted by hydrogen, acetaldehyde and HCl is produced. This is called Rosenman reduction. Cl is getting substituted by hydrogen. Kindly follow. Whether it is aromatic or aliphatic, we are getting this one. So acetaldehyde, we are getting this same. The second method is from acetylene we can prepare. Kindly follow. Acetaldehyde we can prepare by addition of water in presence of acid medium. What way? Let me write down now. By looking this you cannot understand. Let me write, you can see here. This is the acetylene. So I am adding water. Please follow. I am writing the actual mechanism. So this is adding, plus, minus. So plus, minus. So what will happen? Plus, minus will be added. CH, OH. Now double bond, CH2. This is unstable. Because a double bond connected to OH is unstable. So what will happen now? This will go away in this form to giving now acetaldehyde. Please follow. A stable product. So from the acetylene, I can get acetaldehyde. Instead of acetylene, suppose if I use propine, please follow, this is most important. If I use propine, product is acetone. You must understand this. Product is acetone. Okay. The next one is from methyl cyanide also I can prepare by partial hydrolysis. I can get now this acetaldehyde. Kindly follow. This is only for acetaldehyde, specific Rosenman reduction and acetylene. Coming for benzaldehyde, specific example, again, Rosenman reduction, benzoyl chloride undergo reduction with hydrogen, palladium, barium sulfate, then benzaldehyde and HCl. From toluene, kindly follow, direct oxidation in presence of air under vanadium pentoxide. This is a weak oxidizing agent, oxidizing to benzaldehyde to water. So this is not a strong, so it is not converting aldehyde to ketone, it will stop at aldehyde. This is another method. Then third is for benzyl chloride. Kindly follow. This is a specific reagent. Benzyl chloride on action of nitric acid in presence of lead nitrate converted into benzaldehyde, water and HCl. Kindly follow. This is another important specific method for benzaldehyde. Coming for acetophenone. That is Friedel-Graf reactions, specifically Friedel-Graf acylation. Please follow. Specifically say Friedel-Graf acylation. What is happening now? This acetyl group is going to add to benzene ring. What way? See this mechanism. So this is the benzene. So what will happen now? When you treat acetyl chloride in presence of aluminum chloride, it is producing CH3CO plus and AlCl4 minus it is forming. That is the first step. Then this electrophil, it is attaching the benzene ring correspondingly to produce acetophenone. Please follow. That hydrogen present there will be eliminated, converting into this AlCl4 minus, becoming HCl and AlCl3. So this is the general reaction. So AlCl3 is acting as a catalyst. So HCl it is formed. Please follow. This is called actually acylation, specific for the corresponding acetophenone. Then another example. So in the case of benzophenone also I can use the same method. Fiddle-Graph's acylation reaction. Fiddle-Graph acylation reaction. Generally, simply you can say Fiddle-Graph general, but you can use difference. If you want to differentiate Fiddle-Graph alkylation, Fiddle-Graph acylation. Alkylation means R plus, acylation means RCO plus. Please follow. So, first case you take benzene, this we have seen already. Instead of acetyl chloride, I am using benzyl chloride. That's the only difference. Kindly follow. There is benzene ring. So, we are having now COC6H5. So, in this case, when you treat with unaded aluminum chloride, you are getting now C6H5CO plus is coming and attacking. Benzophenone is formed, HCl is produced. The another one, this is called POS gene, COCl2. POS gene, 2 chlorine atom. So POS, it will undergo one benzene ring. The product formed will be benzyl chloride. Another chlorine will again react to produce diphenyl, that is benzophenone, diphenyl ketone. Kindly follow. This is the most important specific methods of benzophenone. I hope I can stop here. My dear students, thank you very much for your kind cooperation you have given so far. And students or others who are seeing my video in YouTube, Neat Chemistry by Dr.R.G. If you are a beginner, first time you are coming, please click like and click subscribe button and share with your friends. And also, I want to inform you, as a chemist, I want to help the poor students of India to give all information starting from 8th standard to 12th standard. Entire topics I have taken here to discuss. I have discussed. So it will be useful for them, so they need not go to tuition because of the poor nature. They can directly, they get 100 out of 100 in board marks, in NEET 180 out of 180 they can get. If they work, go sincerely, if they follow. Because in my this NEET chemistry, after finishing my entire syllabus, plus 2 syllabus, I am going to discuss the questions also. The questions asked from the previous years of NEET, IIT, AIMS, AIPMT, MSET Andhra. I am going to concentrate 10 questions at least from each. So 50 questions I will discuss. So it will be very, very useful. Kindly share others. And for other students who are waiting for +1, that is studying +1, +2 and +2 computer students who are waiting for the NEET entrance examination conducted by Government of India, I have a good news for you. We are running a coaching center, Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 20 years. And we have our own website, vetri.s, and we have given all our achievements in the home page. Everything photographic proof. Name, photograph, school, everything, the rank, everything will be given. So 1 or 2 achievements, let me point out here. In 2003 itself, one of our students, R. Srinivasa Raghavan, got All India first rank in Jipper. In 2003 itself, when we started in 1999, in 2003 itself we got All India first rank in JIPMAR. At that time, NEET common entrance examination was not there. JIPMAR was conducting separately, AIMS was conducting separately, Vellore was conducting, all medical colleges are separately, they are conducting. Kindly follow. Now, another most important achievement here, from the beginning up to 2021, all our students, nearly 10 to 20 students are regularly entering into JIPMAR Medical College. 150 to 200 students are entering into other medical colleges in government quota, that is free quota by merit. A few students are joining IIT and hundreds of students joining other engineering colleges. This is our record, achievement. Now, I want to give the important features of our website, Vetty.S. Through Vetty.S, you can easily score 600 to 700 marks out of 720. Please follow. This is applicable even for poor student because we collect only low cost 10,000 rupees only we are collecting per year for all the subjects. So you can view 200 video lesson, 200 unit test we have. Please follow. 200 unit test we have. In the video lessons, it was taken by the professors with PhD degree, 20 to 30 years of experience in IIT medical teaching and also teaching for BSc, MSc, MPhil, PhD students. And when we are viewing the video lesson, you can see the notes type. And the entire video will come in notes form. And any information is new to you, definition or formula or anything is new, diagram, you can just touch the video, it will stop like our YouTube. You can note, then again touch, it will run. Any number of times you can repeat the video lesson. This is the one information. The second information, we have 200 unit test. So for in this case, example, carbonyl compounds. Please follow. Under the carbonyl compound, we have test 1 and test 2. Test 1 and test 2, each one having 45 questions. So totally 90 questions. Kindly follow, my dear students. We have framed this 200 unit test question only from 20 years of question papers of IIT, AIMS, AIFMC, MSET, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. So only previous year question paper we have framed. You can ask me what is the advantage. We have observed the advantage for the last 6 years question paper when we compared NEET examination conducted by Government of India. 75-80 questions are asked questions are same question repeated. Same question from Vetty.S given. So let me come for the advantage of giving now the NEET Vetty.S. If the advantage you can join Vetty.S. Let me give. This is a low cost, only 10,000 rupees, but others they are collecting in lakhs. Number 2, so if you enter into our website, kindly follow. If you click now, there is an attempt. If you click attempt, a window will open. In the window, it will ask you, this unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. One of the options will be correct. If answer is correct, 4 marks. If answer is wrong, -1 subtracted. So are you ready? It will ask. If you want to start, take your rough notebook and pen and click OK. Immediately you can see question number 1, option A, option B, option C, option D you can see, and below that there are 3 menus will be there. And here a clock will run. Clock from 45 minutes, the clock will run from below lower words. 45 to 44 like that it will move. So simultaneously you can see the clock as well as the question as well as the another. Let me see. There are three menus here. The center is complete, right side is next, and left side is reverse. Kindly follow. So by pressing next, you can go for second question, third question, fourth, etc. By pressing reverse, you come back like that. Only after completing, you can get the you have press complete questions, complete, then you'll get the marks. Let us now kindly follow. One more information which is not available in other online. 1 to 45 numbers will be there in yellow color. Kindly follow. Suppose as a student you are assuming that A is the correct and you are click A, immediately number 1 which was in yellow color changing to green color. Number 2 will become blue color. All other questions will be in yellow color. So after 20 minutes, kindly follow. Let us assume now you have answered 20 questions. So all the 20 questions you answered will be in green color. The question you have not answered will be in yellow color. Please follow. You understand now? So this information is not available in other online coaching center. Once after completion, press complete, then immediately you will get marks. What is the mark? Say for example 160 by 180. Kindly follow. So this is the first test you are writing. Each unit I told you 2 tests we are keeping. So 160 to 180 you are getting. So what you can do now, so you want to know where you have done mistake. There is a provision here, review menu is there. Next to mark, there is review. So if you press review, your window will open. Kindly follow. In the window, again question 1 will be there. Option A, option B, option C, option D, and correct answer in yellow color. Correct answer in yellow color. Below there is video solution. So, since you have attempted clicked A as the correct answer, A will be in blue color. Please follow. This provision is not available in other online leading coaching center, only in Vetty Daughters. What is the advantage is you can self-assess. Both are correct, your answer is correct. Both are different, your answer is wrong. So each and every question you can view the video lesson, video solution. Please follow. In other online coaching, solution is not there. Suppose A is the correct answer, and they will give the answer in one word or one line typed message. That's all. A poor student or a average student, they cannot understand the questions. But it's not like that. Vetty Daughters professor will take class minimum 5 to 15 minutes. He will take class if you click video solution. And this video solution you can stop and take notes also. Kindly follow. So what will say? What topic this question is asked? What subtopic is asked? He will read the question. He will read the options. Then he will explain why the question is correct. Which answer is correct? Explaining definition, formula, diagram required, table column if it is required. Everything he will give. So that in future, a second term, when he is writing for second unit, he can improve again. Same student, suppose in the first time he is getting in the first test, he is getting only 100 by 180, let us assume. But after seeing the solutions for the first test, and if he write the second test, kindly follow, definitely he will go to 160 to 170. So this improvement he can observe. Because the technique, short route, everything he will be learning from the first unit itself. All the questions are previous question paper, same question will be repeated. Please follow. So my dear students who are waiting for NEET Common Entrance Examination conducted by Government of India, for you I want to guide you to score more than 600 marks. That is 600 to 700. If you want to get, you follow 3 steps you have to follow. Please follow. What are the first step? You have to attend to first botany, zoology, chemistry, physics. This is the order you have to go. Only 100% known question you have to answer. 100% known question you have to answer. Let us assume 100 question is known means out of 100 you can get 80 question probability doctors will give you. So second time you go again from botany, zoology, chemistry and physics, the difficult questions. Think twice, thrice, work out and find if you feel it is more than 80% worth, you can put a click. Third step, go to problems. In chemistry, 1/3 of the question will be problem. In physics, 50% will be in problems. So apply suitable formula, use SI units, substitute, and do calculation, find out the correct answer. Compare with option A, B, C, D. If your answer is coincide with any one of the option A, B, C, D, may be correct. You can put a tick mark. Otherwise, verify your calculation. If it is different from your choice, verify the calculation and compare. If they are coming correctly, take. If it is not coming correctly, leave the question. Please remember, it is not necessary to attend all the 200 questions. Please follow. So, this is my advice, 3 steps to get 600 to 700 marks. So, my dear students, so for poor student specifically, I am telling you, only 10,000 rupees you have to pay to join with us. In the name of Santi, Director of Veterinary Coaching Center in Indian Bank, account number 71271947, IFC code IDIB000P134, cell number 989417645. Please follow. So any query or any information, contact me, I will help you. So see you again in my next topic. Bye-bye.